Yo, do you like ZEPETO? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited resources, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, I have a million coins and a million Zems, and I have the add resources button right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to get this ZEPETO mod onto your device, which is super crazy, and it fully works. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a million coins and a million Zems, and then we have the add resources button, which I've already maxed out. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's get right into the video. So basically, we're going to go over to this website called Zems, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the site where we can download this. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type in ZEPETO. And as you can see, it comes up, so press on this and wait for it to download. Now if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, and I'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoy the channel, because I'm always coming out with new videos for you guys. But yeah, this is super insane, and it fully works, guys. And ZEPETO is not really affordable to me, so let me just go ahead and show you guys. If we go to the App Store and type in ZEPETO, as you can see, it is super expensive. So if we go to the in-app purchases, you guys can see, what the heck, bro. I mean, 196 is $11, and I have freaking a million of each. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works. I have looked into some other methods, but this was the only method I could find that was actually like updated and everything. So remember, all you gotta do is go to Zems and then just go to the search bar and type in ZEPETO, and it should come up. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because I'm always coming out with new videos for you guys. So this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So be sure to get the word out, guys, because this is updated, and it's time that we share this with everyone. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the content. This is super epic, and it fully works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out.